How many of you guys can use a little bit of extra cash? I don't know about you, but I know I can. As a matter of fact, I'm about to apply to this position myself. And I'm one of those people, I'm not just going to do something and not share with other people because I feel like my blessing comes from me sharing opportunities with other people. I mentioned this in a video yesterday, but App and Butler is actually seeking social media evaluators. Now, you guys, this is one of the easiest, okay, the easiest non-phone work at home jobs that you're going to come across, okay? And again, I always like to preference that you're not going to be able to replace your full-time job with these little part-time gigs, okay? You're not going to be able to do that. But I don't know about anybody else, but I can actually eliminate a lot of these really small aggravating bills like my water bill, my car insurance, little things like that. Okay, maybe even my cable bill. But basically what App and Butler Hill's social media evaluators do is all you do is you're going to be providing feedback on news feeds, advertisements, and search results. Okay, that's pretty much all you're going to be doing. Now, you will need to have a Facebook account, maybe a Twitter account, but I know for a fact you're going to need to have a Facebook account because, again, these are social media evaluators. Okay, so from my understanding, I know for a fact that you're going to at least have to have a Facebook account. So if you're one of those people who is not comfortable with having a Facebook account, then this is probably not going to be the opportunity for you. But I would tell anybody, do not pass up this because this is one of the easiest, the absolute easiest non-phone jobs that you're going to come across, especially if you're looking for some extra cash. Who can use an extra $70 to a little bit over $200 a week? Okay. Now, from my understanding, talking to other people who currently work at App and Butler and people who have worked at App and Butler in the past, sometimes you're only going to be able to do maybe an hour or two a day. Now, from doing some research, I think App and Butler pays between $10 and $12 an hour. That's 20 extra bucks a day. I mean, that's a nice little side gig for somebody to make, maybe $140 a week. And they actually allow you up to 20 hours per week. So just imagine if one of these weeks you check your email or however they send your work to you and they tell you, oh, okay, we're going to give you 20 hours this week as opposed to 2-3 hours a day. But even if it's just 2-3 hours a day, even just an hour a day, just imagine working an hour a day and getting $12 for doing a very, very simple task as providing feedback on Facebook. Is that not a nice little side egg? Now, again, like I said, the social media evaluator position, it is part-time, up to 20 hours per week, and it's highly flexible, meaning you can work this any time of day, any time of night. They're not going to tell you that you need to be sitting at your computer from 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock or from 12 o'clock until 1 o'clock. You can do it whenever your heart desires. So if you have another job and you want to just do this for an hour or two when you get off work, or maybe late at night once you put the children to bed, because it doesn't really matter because it's not a phone job, so you don't have to worry about any noise or anything. But this is just something that you can do while you're on vacation, all of that good jazz, okay? Now, the only qualifications that you have is you have to be a United States citizen. You have to have access to a computer with reliable internet and have a smartphone that's less than 3 years old. And I'm pretty sure 99.9% of the people that are listening to this are actually people who have all of those qualifications. And you also need to be able to speak English and be able to read English. Other than that, those are the only qualifications. So pretty much you have to have no experience to do this, okay? Again, App and Butler Hill is seeking social media evaluators to provide feedback on news feeds, advertisements, and search results. All right. Pay is between $10 to $12 per hour. They allow you up to 20 hours per week, but most times you may only be able to work an hour or two per day, but that's still some nice little money to have in your pocket for just a little bit of a side gig. As I said, I'm about to apply for this myself because who can't, girl, like I said, I don't know about you, but I can use an extra 70 to 100 and something dollars, possibly $200 a week in my bank account. So I'll leave all of the information down in the description box for those of you that are interested in applying, and I will see you in the next video.